Buying your first car. So let's go. Let's go ahead and watch this short video. It's called "Spotting Deceptive Car Ads," and it'll just show you things that you're supposed to watch out for before you listen to an ad.
You see the ads. Low price, low payments, no interest.
What? What happened?
You see the ads. Low price, low payments, no interest, zero down, guaranteed trade-in offers or rebates. Sounds good, but when you get to the dealer, there could be a catch. To get the low price you saw advertised, you might have to make a big down payment or pay extra fees. What about that 0% financing? It turns out you might need a sky-high credit score to qualify, and the extra low monthly payment may be to start, but it could balloon into a much bigger payment later on. Learn as much as you can about a dealer's reputation ahead of time. And when it's time to sign a sales contract, make sure the deal and terms you agreed on are in the contract. You're in the driver's seat. If you can't get the advertised deal, or one you feel good about, just walk away. If a dealer isn't honest when it comes to its car ads, let the FTC know. Want to know more? Visit ftc.gov/cars.
Okay, so basically, don't believe everything that you hear in the ads. Okay, don't believe everything. So, what's the objective? We will compare benefits of buying and leasing your car. We will identify costs associated with buying and owning a car. Explain benefits of buying a new or used car. Analyze the cost and features of several vehicles to identify the best car for one's needs. Okay, buying a car is like any other important decision. You want to be informed. Here are some basic steps involved in buying a car. So before you get out there and buy a car, set your budget. Decide how much money you can spend and how much you are going to pay for it. Second step, choose the best car for you. Third, check reliability and ownership cost. Next, locate your car. 5, check sale price and warranties. 6, review all the paperwork. 3 ways to pay. There's 3 ways to pay. The first method that you can pay cash. Cash is the least expensive way to buy a car because you don't have to pay any financial charges. If you are paying cash, be sure to determine the value of the car before you negotiate the purchase. Other method, you can finance. You are getting a personal loan that you can use to pay off your car. In return, you pay the lender the amount plus interest, usually in months paid until the amount is paid in full. When the loan is paid in full, then you're the owner. Last but not least, you can lease a car. When you a car lease lets you drive a vehicle without paying a large sum of cash or taking out a loan. To lease a car, simply make a small down payment up front to make out of pocket, followed by a month-to-month term for the lease, usually 24 to 48 months. When the term expires, you return the car. This is the one that I like the least, by the way. Like, I would never lease a car, me personally, because you pay for the car and it's never going to be yours. So, personally, I would never lease a car. So, what's the advantages of leasing, and what's the disadvantages? Okay. This is not working, but the students that are home, you can always, I'm having technical issues. So the students that are home, you can go to the website and view this, okay? So we're going to go ahead and skip that slide. Okay, so which choice is right for you? So this is a comparison between leasing and buying a car. So like, let's say that you lease a car for $262 per month, and the car is $15,000. So the payment will be, if the car is $15,000 and you buy it, the payment will be $262 a month. Now, if you lease the car, it'll be $186, which is less. It's not really that much of a difference. But now look at the down payment. So $2,000 if you buy the car, $500 if you lease it. Interest rate. The interest rate, if you lease it, is actually higher. And the terms are 60 if you buy it, 36 if you lease it. So again, personally, I would not lease a car. You're just throwing your money away. The car's never going to be yours. You have to return it. Okay? So a loan provides the opportunity to purchase big ticket items and use them right away. Consider loans, interest rate, associated costs, fees, terms, your liability to repay when incurring the debt. And students, you can always watch this video later. As you know, I can only record for X amount of minutes and then it'll stop recording and I'm gonna run out of time. Okay? So key terms, direct lending. Actually, here's the key terms. For the sake of time, you can pause the video and look at these terms that you're gonna have to know whenever you fill out your PDF file before you send it to me. So again, I don't want to run out of time, so you can pause this and look at those yourself. Okay, so what do I need to know about getting a loan? Okay, first thing, know how much you can afford. Next, do your research. Third, repay the loan as quick as possible. Next, be prepared to complete a loan application. Last but not least, talk to your parents, trusted adult about co-signing. Did you make the right choice? Okay, so, oops, I accidentally hit that and go back. Okay, so now that you have learned more, do you still think financing a car is the right choice? Select learn more about leasing if you would like to get more information about that option ahead. So students that are home and you can go to the website and click on both of these. How does leasing work? Okay, so again, for the sake of time, I've already done an overview with this, but you can read this yourself. Pause the video and read it. Leasing key terms. What I will do is I will click on each one of these. You can pause the video and copy them to your PDF. And I'm doing this because I'm about to run out of time. Did you make the right choice? So again, you can go back to this link and click on each one of these. Quick checks. You can do the quick check by yourself. Again, I am about to run out of time. Okay, so choose your car. So these are things that I want you to look at by yourself. So I think I have 1 minute left. New or used cars. I will click on each one of these. You can pause the video and read each one. Okay, you can do this by yourself because I think I have less. You can always watch, yeah, this video is too long. You can watch it by yourself. Okay. The rest of them I can skip. Yeah, that's another video. And I have like a minute left. Okay, kids, so go ahead and complete your activity. After you complete the activity, email it to me. Have a great day.